Hey everyone, Vincent Wynn here for Tipline. Let's jump quickly and look at AMC simply because I made a call this morning that it was extremely bullish. And let's see if it's still bullish. So let me switch over to the chart. Okay, all right, let's take a look. Why is this? Is that right? That's not right. Okay, hold on a second. Close this up. Okay, there we go. All right, let's take a look at AMC. The day chart is where I want to focus my attention on first. Why? Because again, right? I mean, look at the way AMC completely went from $3.50, or even worse yet, at the 200-day moving average, which is at $4.69, and came down all the way to the bottom at a low of 1072. Okay. So it respected the 3 EMA yellow line, then every now and then it would touch the 8 EMA, and then now what I'm seeing is, based on my oscillator, they're starting to come out of the oversold area. This first one has already been out. This second one is almost, we're talking like a day shy of popping out of the oversold area. And when that happens, guess what's going to happen to AMC? We're going to see some good explosive move here. The first move is towards this 8 EMA, which is at $14.86. And then guess what? It's going to move up to the next moving average, which is the 20 SMA at $25.83. Sadly, that's only $2.53. So don't get too excited because I got a 10-to-1 split. But that does bring the price up to where it should have been all along, which is right here at $2.71. Okay, that is AMC's optimized pricing for this harmonic pattern to be validated. This bullish harmonic butterfly harmonic pattern right here. So why am I bullish on this? Because just look, I have to trust my chart, right? I have to trust the harmonic pattern, which is the foundation of my TA. So when price comes, look, I mean, there's no coincidences when it comes to trading. The 20 SMA sits right at where their harmonic optimized pricing is for AMC. Okay, so this is where the next target is. When it comes back up to this 20, I don't expect this to blow through here and then just go to the moon right away to price target 2 at $44.69. I expect something along the line of this to happen, crosses up, come back down. Probably the 8 EMA will be somewhere here. Let's see, somewhere here. And then it's going to bounce off, retest, and then we'll see price target 1 at $38.34. I believe that that's where everyone, most of the AMC investors bought in at right here. This is where the next level of support is going to be. Okay. All right. So that's the 4-hour chart. Let's look at, that's the day chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, because this gives us a really good indication. So again, you see the trend. I'm going to sound like a parrot and keep repeating myself with the moving averages, because that is also the foundation of my TA. I live by the moving averages, and I live by the harmonic patterns. They overlay, they complement each other. They give me this picture where I am now able to project what is going to happen next. So this formation here is essentially a bull flag. It's a beautiful bull flag, right? So if you measure the bull flag, the breakout is essentially where price is at right now, or where it opened 4 hours ago at $13. So if you measure the bull flag from here to here, you can take that and project it up. This is where I would expect the price to be. So let's come back in a couple of days and fact check me. Is it going to hit $15.34? I would believe so. Where does that put us on the chart here? At $15 something? Guess what? Oh, look at that. There's no coincidences, right? When it comes to trading, $15 something is going to put us right at the 8 EMA. Oh, now you see the big picture, right? There it is. So the charts work together. The charts work together. The patterns work together. They help fill in the gaps for where price is going. And that's why you need to understand each individual candles. You need to understand collectively what they formulate. And that's why this channel is called Tip Line. It's basically understanding how lines can be the tipping point for that next price breakup or breakdown. Next tipping point. I like that. Okay, I have to remember to use that. That's a good line. All right, so that's the 4-hour chart. I mean, I absolutely enjoy seeing how this is starting to form what I would perceive as, hang on, let me make this a little bit prettier, as a cup and handle right here. So I would imagine something like this, and then bam. That's like the ugliest cup and handle you will ever see, but who cares as long as this formation comes to fruition in the next week or two. Okay, so where is it at today? Where is it at in the next 10 minutes? You might wonder if you're scalping this. I'm seeing a little bit of retracement, which is expected. So I drew this earlier because I did this video once already and I forgot to switch it to the charts, and I'm sitting here just talking to myself. So yeah, so let's take a look at this. So I drew this line downward earlier in an earlier video because I said once AMC on the 10-minute chart goes from here to here, that's almost a 9% move. It's going to need to retrace, and right now it's dancing and respecting the 8 EMA so far, but I don't know for how long, because this 20 is going to have to come up at some point to meet it. And guess what? Price will most likely come down, touch it before it makes another go up at the price. Okay, so that's AMC. I mean, overall, like I said, it looks bullish, very, very bullish. So I know a lot of you are still holding bags. There's still a long way to go, and I can tell you that looking at the day chart, if things go as planned, let me get rid of some of this junk on here, okay? If things go as planned, I want to see a nice retracement back up to where price was before the dilution, before the merging of APE into AMC and all the other shenanigan that happened. The big picture here is I want to see price come back up to the top, which is the harmonic optimized pricing, do whatever it needs to do for a day or two, okay, and then just go straight to price target 1 at $38.34. That's what I want to see in the next week, and then retrace, do what it needs to do, and then hit price target 2 and just blow through there. Why? Because the bulls are going to step in. And if you look, this drawing that I made here, does that not look like the cup and handle that I just drew earlier? Very much so, because a cup and handle is a very bullish formation. And if you just trace the moving averages, they're gonna pan out the same. So I don't know when AMC will get back up to this 190 price target, which is around $19 a share. Okay, I just don't know. I mean, right now my thinking is at the top of this arrow, if you look at this here, it's very interesting. So if you look at the top of that arrow that I just drew, that is the breakout point for this massive run back in June 2nd, right? So if you look at this arrow, so if you measure the bottom of this arrow all the way up, and then if that breakout should take place, oh my goodness, look at this, bam. This, I don't want to put this out there as hopium, but I want to give you what I see as chart. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but what I am saying is after $49 or $4.91 or 99 cents, if enough bulls come in, or if there's covering, or if the FTDs are being called and they got to buy to cover all that crap, I want to say that history can potentially repeat itself right here. Right there, people. Right there. Just take a step back and look at that chart. The cycle needs to start over. It's completely oversold. No one's going to make money until AMC runs again. Shorts aren't going to make money. They don't want to sit there and hold a short position, a massive short position, and not make any money. This needs to run. This needs to run. For the next 2-year cycle to happen all over again, AMC needs to run. What you do when that happens is up to you. I'm not going to tell you, but I will be here for you when this happens, and I will chart AMC for you as we progress forward, and I'll keep you up to date on the swings. Okay? All right, Vincent Wynn here for a tip line. If you find this information useful and entertaining, consider liking, subscribe, so that we can get this information out to other retail traders. Thanks for watching.